Hi everybody. The purpose of this video is to explain my policies on late homework and also to explain how I've got the dates set up in Canvas. This takes some explaining because there's 3 dates associated with every homework assignment. First, we have the to-do date, which you should think of as the actual due date. Let me show you where to find the to-do dates in Canvas. The first place you'll find the to-do dates is in the modules. So let's take a look at the modules in this fictional Math 000. Let's take a look at Chapter 1. Under each section name is the to-do date. And if you click on the section, you'll see the to-do date at the top right under the section name. Now every week I also post an announcement explaining the schedule for the week. So let's take a look at the announcements for this class. Let's take a look at week 1. The to-do date for section 1.1 in this class happened to be a Tuesday. And in the week 1 announcement then, I said for Tuesday, watch the 1.1 lecture and do the 1.1 homework. That's the day I expect you to do the homework. And like I said, you should think of that as the actual due date. Now, sometimes if a section is extra long or extra hard, and if we have time in the course schedule, I will allow 2 days for the section. So if you look at Wednesday and Thursday, for Wednesday I say watch the 1.2 lecture, and for Thursday I say do the 1.2 homework. So I'm not really expecting you to do the homework until Thursday. If you look over in the modules, you'll notice there's a 2-day gap between section 1.2 and section 1.3. And again, that's mirrored in the weekly announcement. Now, what if you're really sick that week? Maybe you have COVID, the flu or something, or your child is ill, or you have military service, or something that prevents you from keeping up with the to-do dates. In that case, I think it's perfectly reasonable to give you an extension till the end of the week. And in fact, you don't even have to email me to get that extension. I've built it into the dates in Canvas. This is a little confusing because that extended due date in Canvas is just going to show up as due date. Canvas doesn't let me give special names to dates, so I had to call this due date. This will always be midnight Sunday of that week. Homework submitted after this due date for any reason will receive half credit. This is because the due date is already an extension of when the homework should have been done, which was the to-do date. The good news is a few half-credit assignments is not going to have any measurable effect on your grade at the end of the semester. Let me show you where to find the due dates in Canvas. You'll need to go into the assignments, and each assignment will have a due date listed. Unfortunately, the to-do date does not show up here. Now there's also another date, the available until date, listed here. Let's talk about that one. The available until date is the absolute last date that I will accept late homework. It should be used for serious unforeseen circumstances. Keep in mind that the available until date is an extension of the due date, which was also an extension of the to-do date, so I will not extend the available until date any further. After the available until date, the assignment will be listed as closed in Canvas, and you will not be able to turn it in at all. Again, though, a couple of missed assignments is not going to have a measurable effect on your grade at the end of the semester. Please watch the next video for answers to frequently asked questions and some secrets to maximizing your homework points.